DebtWave clients who are asking if they want to add another credit card to their account, which they can do at any time. And there's a really simple way to do that. And that way is to go to calculators, DMP, payment estimator, calculate your new payment. So just for fun, let's just pretend that the creditor is American Express. You have a balance of 15,000 and an APR of 24.99%, which is the average what we see that are put on. So right away, you can see that your current monthly finance charge is $312.38. Your minimum payment on that would be around $450. So that just comes right back down and shows you that you could get your American Express put on there at $360 a month, down from 450 to 299 estimated APR, with a estimated finance charge of $37.38. So that's going to save you nearly $365 a month, which is pretty amazing. Uh, and be out of debt pretty quickly. Probably get that paid off within 3 to 5 years. So take a look. Very simple. Again, you just go to calculators, look at your DMP estimator, and that's it. You can check it out. And if that's something you want to do, give it a call at 888-686-4040 and talk to one of our great credit counselors at DebtWave Credit Counseling.